everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today my mom and I are going to show you how we make Puerto Rican pasteles. We hope you enjoy that you enjoy this video and enjoy your delicious pasteles. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video and share comment. Thank you. This recipe is for 100 pasteles, so adjust based on how many you are making. The following is all the ingredients and items you will need before you start to make your pasteles. I've also shared photos to help in your shopping experience. Thank you.
El jorgorio está bien por la maceta. Vamos a gozar, jaja, huepa, huepa, huepa. Vamos a gozar, jaja, huepa, huepa, huepa. El jorgorio está bien por la maceta. Vamos a gozar, jaja, huepa, huepa, huepa. Vamos a gozar, jaja, huepa, huepa, huepa. Que traigan pitorro, hasta que amanezca. El jorgorio está, jaja, bien por la maceta. Vamos a gozar, jaja, huepa, huepa, huepa. El jorgorio está bien por la maceta. Vamos a gozar, jaja, huepa, huepa, huepa. Vamos a gozar, jaja, huepa, huepa, huepa. Con el ron y anís, yo haré una receta. El jorgorio está, jaja, bien por la maceta. Vamos a gozar, jaja, huepa, huepa, huepa. El jorgorio está bien por la maceta. Vamos a gozar, jaja, huepa, huepa, huepa. Vamos a gozar, jaja, huepa, huepa, huepa.
Some people use the pastele machine to mix the ingredients. Items that you want to prep ahead of time is your meat and your achote oil. You will have to cut the meat into small to medium pieces. To prepare your achote, you will need annatto seeds and oil. You will need to boil the seeds in oil and strain the oil to remove the seeds, so you have achote oil. To make the meat, you will need the pre-cut pork shoulder pieces. You would want to add the appropriate level of water for your pork to boil. You will need a minimum of 4 to 5 tablespoons of sofrito based on 5 pork shoulders. Next, have your olive, sazon, adobo, red peppers, Goya sauce, about 2 to 3 cans, recao, cilantro, ancho leaves, and about 1 to 2 cups of achote ready. Put your pre-cut pork pieces into a large pot. Add the sofrito and then all of the seasonings. Season to your taste. Make sure it's full of flavor but not salty. Then add the sauce and bring to a boil for about an hour, checking and stirring 15 minutes. After an hour, bring down to about medium check. Taste and stir every half an hour. Once meat starts to reach proper tender texture, reduce to low and set aside. Time to start the mixture of the vegetables. Start with the grating the bananas with the hand grater. You can also use the pasteles machine that we will show later on. You want to grate the vegetables very well. Always use gloves and keep your area super clean. For the harder vegetables, you can put them into the machine. You then combine all the vegetables into one large pot. Salt the mixture to taste. Add the liquid from the meat into the mixture. Make sure it has enough liquid, but it's not watery. For a large pot, it's about 2 bowls of liquid. Then add achote to get a good color. About 1 olive jar filled with achote oil will work. Once the mixture is done, grab one paper for the pastele. Add a scoop of achote to the paper. Then add a scoop of mixture. Add a tablespoon of meat. Fold paper to make a half rectangle, then fold again to close the rectangle. Fold both ends to one another. Tie with string to tighten all the sides of the rectangle. Boil in water with some salt for 25 minutes. Taste before making more pasteles to adjust any seasoning. Serve best after they freeze. When cooking frozen, it is about 40 minutes in boiling water. Enjoy, and I thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and share a comment and share the video. Thank you.